The difference is in the details. Get ready to have the best roasted vegetable medley that you've ever seen, created by Bonnie Carl's daughters. You will learn wonderful ways to create roasted vegetables in quick, easy steps, and you'll be sure and come back for more recipes. Bonnie is outdoing herself again. These are roasted vegetables, and I spot some carrots and some celery and some beets. And what else is in there, Bonnie? Turnips?
Beets, celery, carrots, sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Are these gorgeous or what? I'm going to put Bonnie's recipe in the description so that you can do that. And then I think she's placing it on a pan in the oven at certain temperature. I don't know what it is, but you can look at the description. 400 degrees. And this will be gorgeous. And then I'll be adding the finished vegetables in just a few minutes. I have placed the recipe in the description and all the details, and you'll be able to cook this yourself. Don't forget to buy all these vegetables. I mean, the celery, the carrots, the sweet potatoes, the beets. Boy, it's just really a beautiful, healthy meal, and it's something that you can make easily. Just throw it in the oven and let it roast, and then serve it. You'll want to try this, trust me. Okay, now we have the beautiful vegetables that Bonnie has prepared on this baking sheet with a little tin foil. And you can tell it date me. I guess it's called aluminum foil, but I grew up with tin foil. It is gorgeous, Bonnie. What kind of spices are on here?
It's just a blend of different ones. I just use a roasting pack that you can buy commercially.
Oh, good, but I'll put the description. Bonnie, this is gorgeous. I'll add this link for you in the description as well. Wow, I'm so excited. And how healthy is this? Those are the beets and sweet potatoes and onions and celery and little new potatoes. And woo, gorgeous, gorgeous meal. If you're trying to eat healthy and perhaps lose some weight or just eat better, try this. Okay, now we have the beautiful vegetables that Bonnie has prepared on this baking sheet. Now Bonnie is putting in the oven.
Here you go.
Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at this. We are so ready for this beautiful in the oven treat. I was so hungry I wanted to eat right away, so I got this leftover out that was andouille sausage and baked potato, and I put that in the oven so it could heat up while we are cooking the new roasted vegetables. You might want to remember that, so that you have extra things happening at the same time and you won't go hungry either. Leftovers are always great. Trust me, you'll like doing two things at once. And a reminder, you've got to buy these red gloves Bonnie uses. They are silicone and they're so great, and you can use them for getting hot things out, and they're wonderful, and it's kept me from burns many times. I'll put that link below for you also. You'll want to get these gloves. They are fabulous. These have been cooking about 10 minutes. Bonnie then took them out and is flipping them over just so both sides are evenly cooked. We're slightly getting them a little saturated on all sides with the olive oil. And then what, Bonnie?
I want to put them back in to finish cooking. I'm just stirring them so they cook evenly.
Ooh, they're beautiful. Now, why did you make so much, Bonnie?
Because it's easy to do a big pan, and they're really good cold in salads, or then you can add them. If you don't want to use them all up, you can throw them in the freezer and just add them to add vegetables to a soup.
Or to a dinner, or to a salad. Wonderful. What a great idea. I might get healthy here.
There you go.
Okay, they're out of the oven. Oh, are they beautiful. Look at this glazed golden. Oh my, it's got like, oh, perfect. It looks so good. It just added just a little softness and a little color and a little, I think that's beautiful, Bonnie. Thank you for making that. I'm so excited about it. And look at how healthy that is. How can you not be unhealthy eating carrots and potatoes and beets and celery and wonderful. I've never knew that you could do this. This is really exciting to me. Remember those leftovers you saw a minute ago? There was a baked potato and andouille sausage. I had placed them in the oven just to give me a snack while we were cooking, and Bonnie got them out and did something magical with them. I'm going to share that with you now. Oh, this is what you did with my leftovers. You took my old baked potatoes and my andouille sausage and put it in a little pan, added some cheese, and just heated it up. What a good idea is that, so it didn't waste not and want not. Remind me again how you did that so I get all the steps so we don't miss anything. And what did you do to salvage these beautiful baked potatoes and andouille sausage?
I just smashed the potatoes and cut the skins into little bits and mixed them up and put them in and covered them up with cheese, mashed them with sour cream and butter, made twice baked potatoes, and put the sausage on the side.
And how long did you put them back in the oven for?
About 15, 20 minutes.
Oh, and there's still even more here. Wow. Okay, let's see how Bonnie served these. Bonnie plated it with a chopped salad, and boy, I'm telling you, it is delicious. Let me share with you what she did. Beauties out there that do want to cook, this was beautiful. I know Bonnie made it for me, and I made it look easy. But look what we have here. She had the little bit of salad that she had pre-cut, the coleslaw and greens and all of that with a little blue cheese dressing, a little bit of andouille sausage just for a little bit of spice, and then all of these wonderful cooked vegetables, and they're all in this wonderful bowl. And hey, I'm excited as I can be. Well, there you have another glimpse of Bonnie's beautiful roasted vegetables. They are absolutely delicious. If you don't try this recipe, you're going to miss a big treat. You can leave out the things that you don't like if you're vegan. I never know how to say that. Sorry, Sandra, my friend. Anyway, all you people out there that are wanting a wonderful, healthy meal, this roasted vegetable recipe from Bonnie is wonderful and a real hit with me and my family, and you'll want to give it a try. So look for the description below and look for all of the ingredients, and make sure you buy the Bonnie's Red Gloves and all those things. She also served this with a wonderful vodka cocktail. Wow, I was really excited about that. Oh my God, I love this cup. You know what I like about it? It's the weight. Look at the frostedness, but it just fits in your hand perfectly. And you know what? I'm so vain, I don't even care about the wrinkles on my hand. And no, I'm not a alcohol ick. I just love a good cocktail. So if you want a great cocktail, come to Bonnie's house. And don't forget to take care of yourself, because, you know, life is about a few pleasures that we should enjoy every single day. A vodka martini on the rocks. And look at the surprise she bought me from the grocery store. Just a few little lints. She knows I love really good milk chocolate. And so she just brought me some little sticks of milk chocolate truffle bar and milk chocolate caramel truffle bar. Spoil your friends and spoil your family. I am so blessed and highly favored. Chocolate, thank you. Thank you. Thank you again, Bonnie, for this wonderful recipe. I'm anxious to learn how to make those pancakes next. Oh my God, you're a fabulous sister. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. We'll be sharing more to be on camera, but her dog Charlie does, and I wanted you to see how pretty she is. So I just love my sister, and it's so great to be at her home and learn to cook from her. So this is Cheryl Johnson and my sister Bonnie, and we're Carl's daughters, and we hope you've had a great day. Count your blessings. Miracles start to happen when you give as much energy to your dreams as you do to your fears. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you, Bonnie, for this wonderful recipe. Have a great day.